to Japan and the tsunami that's sweeping through the northeast of the country right now. Well, the government has so far confirmed some 32 deaths, but that number is expected to rise. It follows the 8.9 magnitude earthquake, which sent a 10-metre high wall of water inland across the Miyagi prefecture. The destruction's widespread. We know that 200 people have been washed away, with buildings, cars and ships all swept by those waters. Well, the ramifications are widespread. A 4.5 magnitude earthquake has now struck Hawaii, and we are expecting residents there to brace themselves for a tsunami to reach its shores within the next few hours. And we will, of course, keep you updated on the developments in the Pacific region.